Hi guys, my name is Martina. I'm the I'm gonna do a lips makeup. First, the hand. Put the glass. Put in the water. Next, put a lip. Put a color orange in your inner ear. Okay. First step is uh, next we need next. Step two. Put color glue in here.
Avengers, assemble!
Okay. First step. First, put orange in it. Okay. Next step, put a color blue in here. Put in here. Color blue. Blue. Put it in here. As you can see, me, a homework, marksman, step, put in here. Or this one. Put color pink. That's it. Bye.